Hello guys, I'm Javeni Sarah and thank you for joining my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to generate AI musics and songs without copyright, and guess what? For free. And the good news is you can also use your phone to create these songs and music for your folktale stories. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is go straight into your ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your best friend. Don't forget that if you're a storyteller, whatever you are, a copywriter, whatever you do, please make ChatGPT your best friend. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to give ChatGPT a prompt. Now you say, write me a melodious and danceable love song. Okay, we're just going to say danceable Indian love. Now let's use another. Let's say danceable Nigerian. Yeah, let's do this. Let's try this. Nigerian love song. Let's do this. So guys, you're going to give ChatGPT this simple ABCD prompt. Let's see what it has for us. Oh, my sweet Obim. Should we use this as an Igbo song? What do you think, guys? Okay, let's try this first. So you're just going to copy this prompt. Now I'm going to be showing you the second app you need for this music or song generation, which is free. It's also free and it has no copyrights. Guess what? You can use it for your folktale stories on YouTube. You can use it for your whichever country you're making your folktale story for. It could be India, it could be Korea, whichever language. It is free to use. So let's just go to the next app. Now this is your next app and it's called Suno AI. Suno AI. Now you click on it. The good news is you can use your phone for this. Like, it's just so beautiful, stress free, from your comfort zone. You don't need to spend a dime to get your song ready. So we're just gonna click on it. Now you click here. Now you click on custom. This is your custom. Click on custom. Now you'll see an interface appear like this. Under your lyrics, you paste your song that was generated from ChatGPT. Paste your song. Now this is a song that I generated from ChatGPT and the title is My Sweet Obim, and I think it's in pidgin language, kinda. So let's just see what this app has to do, what it's going to do for us. Now I'm going to delete this title from this body text. I'm going to delete the title. Now make sure you go through your prompt to be sure that it is well edited. Now you're just going to scroll down, come here under style, enter your own styles. So you're just going to click maybe a male voice. Yeah, let's use a male voice. Let's use a male voice for this song. I think this song is more about, okay, like a guy singing for the love of his life and all that. So now you're just gonna come down here under your title. You're going to place your title of the song, which is My Sweet Obim. Now scroll down again, come down to create, and then you click create. This app is as simple as ABC, and guess what? It's gonna create our song for us without copyright issues. So guys, this is really beautiful and you can try it. Okay, now it says your song is ready. Tap to play. Let's hear what Suno has for us. Okay, so we're just gonna tap on the first one. Let's see. When I saw you, my world stood still. Your smile lit a fire I couldn't conceal. We're gonna play the second one. let's So guys, this app generates two different kind of musics for you when you insert your prompts. So you can pick whichever one that suits your style. For me, I think we'll just go with the let's see the first one. So this is the
When I saw you, my world stood still. Your smile lit a fire I couldn't conceal. You walked into my heart like a sweet melody. Okay, guys, that's the first one. I want you to also listen to the second one and tell me in the comment section which one would you love to go for. When I saw you, my world stood still. Your smile lit a fire I couldn't conceal. You walked into my heart like a sweet melody. Okay, guys, that's the second music Suno AI generated for us. Now, don't forget to drop your comments. I want to know which one do you prefer. Is it the first one or the second one? And don't forget, make sure you subscribe, like, and share to your friends and families. And don't miss out on my next video. Okay, turn on your notification button. And guess what? I'll be back again with another amazing tutorials. Love you guys. Mwah.